And moving on now, in a heart-wrenching story from Hassan, a 2-month-old baby's nose was bitten off by rats when the baby's body was kept at the hospital for post-mortem. The 2-month-old baby was admitted to Rajiv Nursing Home in Hassan with a small infection. The parents Jagadish and Yogama were told that the baby would be all right in a day or two, but the baby passed away. But this was only the beginning of the horror that the family had to undergo. The baby's body was taken to Hassan District Hospital for post-mortem, but to the family's complete shock, the baby's nose as well as other body parts were bitten off by rodents in the hospital. Goes on to speak volumes about the pitiable condition in which the hospital is maintained. Just a while back, we tried to speak to the Health Minister of the state, UT Khadar, who squarely blamed, who squarely went on to state that it is not his, the whole health ministry that is responsible for a district hospital, but it is the medical education ministry that should be held responsible. He also went on to state that the government is doing enough and more to maintain hygiene and cleanliness at the government hospitals, but is that really being done? Well, looks extremely unlikely at the moment, looking at the incident that we're looking at. In fact, family members extremely inconsolable at the moment, as their little one not only breathed her last, but also now has met a horrific end after the body was taken to post-mortem and rodents have bitten off the body. But only goes on to speak volumes about the conditions in which the patients are made to stay at these district hospitals. This is the big story that we're tracking this hour. Just a while back, in fact, we even spoke to the grieving mother of the little child, and she went on to say that the doctors had assured her child would recuperate in a day or two, but unfortunately that was not the case, as in just a matter of a day the baby breathed its last. She also went on to allege that the doctors did not take any interest in treating the child, and it was only the nurses who were administering all the drugs. Family members, close associates as well as activists have now taken to the streets in Hassan to demand action against the hospital authorities for allowing such an incident to happen. Not only did the baby pass away despite assurances, but even the body of the baby was not maintained appropriately. Where was the body kept? Who is to be held responsible? How are there rodents in this hospital? Hospitals are supposed to be absolutely spick and span and sanitized to ensure that every single harmful virus or bacteria that comes in is killed. But unfortunately, here we have rodents roaming around in the hospital and biting off dead bodies that are kept in the hospital. Quite a pitiable state in which the hospitals in our state are functioning. And in the Hassan District Hospital, this little child's nose and other body parts were brutally bitten off. Well, the mother absolutely inconsolable there, as we can see on our television screens. The mother has gone on to accuse the hospital authorities of negligence, not only the mortuary but also the hospital authorities at the nursing home, at the Rajiv Nursing Home, where the baby was first taken for treatment. She went on to say that the hospital doctors had clearly stated that the baby will recover and it's all going to be fine. But that was not the case, as the baby has breathed its last, and even in death the baby didn't seem to have peace, as the body was bitten off by rodents. Well, now family members, friends and activists are supporting the parents of this little child, this unfortunate child, as they're demanding that the officials who are responsible for the maintenance of these hospitals be pulled up and be penalized for their lack of interest in their work.